KTVU's Christina Rendon live now in our newsroom to explain why. Christina.
Well, several civil rights groups say this is a bill that got it all wrong. While the bill would eliminate money bail if passed, these groups say that it would also lead to more people being locked up, which is the exact opposite of what they were fighting for. The doors opening on bail reform. SB 10 was quickly passed by the Assembly and Senate this week and now sits on Governor Jerry Brown's desk. The bill was co-authored by Bay Area Assemblyman Rob Bonta.
What this bill does is it releases those who can safely be released. It has appropriate detentions.
The bill would eliminate the current bail system and replace it with a system called preventative detention, with each county coming up with its own risk assessment of defendants. The idea was to reform a bail system that discriminates against poor people. But San Francisco public defender Jeff Adachi says this is even worse because it means judges would have more power to decide who should stay locked up, even on a misdemeanor, until that person's trial is over.
We think that this new law is going to result in more people being in jail rather than less. Bail reform was about decreasing the number of people held in jail pending a trial.
At least 50 civil rights groups who supported the initial bill are opposing this version. Bail bonds companies are too, though they've strongly opposed reform from the start. They estimate upwards of 10,000 to 15,000 jobs would be lost in California.
I think it's an insult to all the good people in this industry that work hard to help people get out of jail, and without us, and I think under the new version of Senate Bill 10, what we're going to see is a bunch more people are just going to sit in jail.
Critics say the bill was rushed through the legislature and loses sight of equalizing the system between the rich and the poor.
And, I think all groups on both sides of the aisle, most groups can say this is a flawed piece of legislation and needs to go back to the drawing board.
You can nitpick at this bill all you want. The perfect should not be the enemy of the good. This is good. This is a good bill.
Governor Jerry Brown released a statement saying the legislature took an important step forward in reducing the inequities that have long plagued California's bail system. That indicates he will likely sign the bill, though the timing on when remains unclear. Frank, Julie.
All right, Christina Rendon in the newsroom tonight. Thank you.